Never tried it before? Okay, f of x equals 3x to the 6/5 power minus 5x times, looks to me like it's 4x to the 5/3, I don't know what you guys are thinking, plus 2x minus 5. Is that right? Okay, so now I'm going to take my derivative. Again, u prime v. So it's 3 times 6/5, that's the Bing, times x to the what? 1/5. And then bong, if you want, is just 1. Because when you take the derivative of the x, you get 1. Minus, what's the derivative of 5x? 5. So there's u prime. Now, I'm just supposed to write down v, so let me write down this parentheses exactly as it is. 4x to the 5/3 plus 2x minus 5. Plus. Okay, now I'm on u. What am I going to write down where it says u? 3x to the 6/5 minus 5x. Now I have to do v prime. So I get 4. What's next? Bing, 5/3. X to the what? What's 5/3 minus 1? 2/3. Okay, times 1 if you want. And then I would have plus 2, because that's the derivative of 2x, and I guess I'd have minus 0, because that's the derivative of 5. So there is a big mess, but that's it.
I just left it like that.
You left it like that. Did you check the back of the book?
The back of the book had it just like that, actually.
Nice.
For some reason.
So then it's done.
Does that mean it can't be simplified anymore off the back of the book?
If I'm going to do 62, you guys better help me with 61. Who asked this one? Jessica? What'd you get for 61C, the revenue function?
2200 minus 34t squared times 30t minus 0.5t squared.
Minus 30t minus 0.5t.
It's times, times in between 34t and 30.
Oh, okay. Right. Because to get revenue, got it. What do we usually do? Revenue is going to be the price, which they gave me, times what? The quantity. And do they give you that? They give you Q of t, the quantity. And so, okay, so now I can do this. R of t is going to be 2200 minus 34t squared. And you're saying times 30t minus 0.5t squared?
Yeah.
Okay. And so now it says verify that after multiplying and simplifying, we get this function. Well, let's see. I guess they also took a derivative. So let's see. I guess the point is they want me to, in problem 61, so in 61D, I think the idea is to use the product rule. But I think the idea of problem 62 is just multiply it out. So let's see what happens. So if I multiply this out, I'll have to do first outer, inner, last. So I'll do 2200 times 30t. I'm getting, let's see, 66,000 t. And then if I do 2200 times 1/2 t squared, I get minus 1100 t squared. And if I do 34 times 30, that's 102, so this is minus 1020 t cubed. And 34 times 1/2 is 17, so I get plus 17 t to the 4th. That's what I got for r of t. So if I go to do r prime of t, I'm getting 66,000 minus, are you guys okay if I combine the 2 with the 1100? I get 2200t. Who's with me so far on this problem? It's not good enough. Okay. So I'm taking the derivative. How about this next piece? Bring the 3 down, right? 3 times 1020 is going to be 3060t squared. And then 4 times 17 is 68t cubed. Is that what they have? If you turn things around, then yes, it is. Does that help, Jessica?
Yeah, I think maybe I just skipped a step or did it out of order.
Okay, okay. So I think that ought to be enough to help. And I'm out of time now anyways, so